Hello everyone, I'm Farhal Imran, and today the topic is that, as I said, forget Sora, Hyper is here to take back the throne. Why am I saying that? Because Sora, first of all, it is released, but it hasn't been open to the public. So, as I was going through the blogs and all that stuff, it said that Sora might open anytime to the public in 2024, but the release date is not yet they told like what time or what date it will be released. So, but Hyper is here, which is it creates realistic videos for video content creation and AI video generator. Like Sora, it can do like you add the text and then it creates a video according to it. So let me click on it. So here you can try for free, and these are start creating. Try for free. Well, the bumblebee is cute. Okay. So here you can see this looks realistic. It's a Lego movie style. And okay, this one is that a DJ. Wow. And this looks like a space Tom Cruise spaceship. Wow, this looks amazing. It does look like Tom Cruise spaceship. Okay. Okay, this is about the I don't know what language is it, but it looks like a barbecue thing. And this one, the flower. Wow, it looks so amazing. This is so good. And yep, this looks like How to Train Your Dragon. Looks like that. There's a person and there's a dragon. Well, it's a girl. And this car is moving red force. Okay. Oh, there's a cute panda, which is playing the keyboard, piano. That is cute. This is so magical. Just look, the rainbow colored horse. Oh my god. It is so good. And about this one, this is a fisherman of Maldives catching fish. Wow. This is so amazing. Like just look at the water and the fish and the boat. Okay, this one. Okay, so so it looks it's a close up of a 24-year woman which is blinking. Okay, all these are 2 seconds. Oh, this is Mutant Ninja Turtle, the orange one. I guess what's his name was Michelangelo? Yeah, Michael. Oh, this is Star Wars? Yeah, the selfie. Amazing. Okay, what about this one? Oh, this is cute. Oh, this looks like some kind of movie scene. Oh, the Vikings meet Dune, epic. Wow, realistic. Okay, what about this one? Wow, cooks alone in a small kitchen. These are so amazing. And the good thing is that about Hyper is that it is not just I'm showing you the videos. You can also create them. Like you add the text and it can create here. So let me show you here. Okay. So here I wrote this Lego style. I just wrote Lego and it came. So they made this video. It is cute, the Lego style. It is Lego, pretty Lego style. And when I said about the cyberpunk, so it created this video. And here I wrote the girl with blue hair, pink shirt, and white pant reading a book. Yep, there's a girl. And it looks realistic enough. And you can write here. So if you can write, for example, what? What can I write? Cute cat playing with ball. So here you can see all the videos that are created or generated, they are for 2 seconds. So, but if you see this here, it says that you can extend your video and it is coming soon. So you can make it longer than 2 seconds, but It is coming soon. Still, this feature didn't come. Here you can animate your image, like upload your own image to bring them to life. Let me do it. Which image should I go for? Hmm, I'll just take this person's picture. By the way, this is Python. This is the person who made Python. Okay, it is queuing for generation. Okay, so here, animate your image, upload your own image, bring them to life, repaint your video. So, okay, with text prompt, you can change the style, color, or subject in your video with text prompt. You can create with text prompt, means describe any video you want with text. And here it is create video with text HD. Okay, okay, animate your image. Okay, so this one still it is taking some time. It has some features. This one is coming soon. And let me show you one thing also. Okay, so I was searching about this, and I think release date, not the release date. Yeah, this one they said that I just tried Hyper AI Hyper Real Video, and it's going right after Sora. So here you can see that it is going after Sora and Pika. So here you can, because the beta app, it allows anyone to create free short video content. So it is going. So there's going to be a real competition. It is a competition between Sora AI and Hyper. So by the way, I'm not promoting this. I'm telling you, it's not promotion or they didn't. Okay, so I'm just showing you because as for you guys, that you can make your own content instead of waiting it. So this is 70%. I don't know how much time it will take. 2 seconds videos are created. Okay, I was showing you one thing I wanted to show you. Yep, this one. So here it said that they came with 1.13.8 million C for video generative AI. So it is for publishers, studios, and individuals. They can easily generate high quality video content. Now you can just create for 2 seconds, but after that you can. But it is going up after Sora. So our end goal is to build an AGI which has boundless potential to assist with creativity. Okay, want to build an AGI. Hmm. Is it? See here they're going after OpenAI Sora and Pika. Pika looks more like Pikachu. Okay, so here Hyper AI launched the Hyper Beta app, allowing anyone to create free short video content using their text to video tool. So the text to video tool they can use to create the short video content and to train the most powerful perceptual foundation model for visual creation and to scale to become Europe's powerhouse for video generative AI. So they are going. See, AI powered video generator is a hot market, especially with the release of OpenAI releasing the Sora model last month and Pika releasing last year. So see, just look at these videos. I'll show you more videos. Like such amazing they are. Okay. Okay. This one, isn't this cute? This video. And okay, this one is, oh, it's a real cinematic scene. Wow, this is amazing. And this one, this looks so realistic. The sea waves on the sands, this looks so realistic. So it is going to create a good and amazing. Oh, this is more like anime. Okay. Wow, these are amazing. These houses. This looks like some kind of fashion show. Yep. It looks so realistic. Okay. Yep. Oh, this is so cute. This video is so cute. See, I told you, a cute cat playing with ball. And they made it so realistic. It looks like an actual cat is playing with ball. But of course, the video is only for 2 seconds. But this is so amazing. What more should I write? Okay, first I'm uploading the image. I don't know if they do the animation or not. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, here. Oh, they, okay. So the person is moving with the image. Wow, that's great. Okay, what more? I'll this one. This is some animated character. Okay, as I uploaded the last, not the last, the animated character video, some picture, I found it in my laptop. So let's see what they got. Let's see some more videos, the good ones. Okay, okay, this was cute. This one is nice. The electric car in a garage, and this car is so amazing. Oh, this looks like some kind of technological, but it's magical, not technological. Okay. Oh, so this one is a spacesuit and has a guitar. Hmm. The astronaut's playing the guitar. That's cool. Okay. Here, let me see if the video has been generated or not. Oh, it's 97%. This one is also 68%. It's taking some time. Okay. The pancakes fall on plate one by one. Mm. Even the honey droplets. This is looks like atom proton. Yep. Mm. This is a rabbit or hare sleeping peaceful. Oh, the ants crawling out of a gigantic bubble. Whoa. Okay, so here. They were making emotions. That's nice. Okay, the image that I uploaded from my laptop. So it looks like the colors and are changing and all that. Yep, looks like the color are changing or something like that. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much. I really hope so that you like my video and subscribe and do like my video.